Reject that toasted. Perfect. Just and vegetables.
Oh yes, lettuce, tomatoes, spinach. And then onions and olives.
Fresh out of olives.
Oh, you got olives? Okay.
Yeah.
I can use jalapenos.
Yeah.
Jalapenos, and then maybe one swipe of mustard is fine.
Yeah.
Yep, that's black pepper.
Okay.
That's
Perfect. Of course. Any chips, drinks?
let's get the chips. Can I do it?
Yeah. It's like a fountain drink or like a bottle drink.
I
Okay.
can't.
Just a small one?
Yeah, this is
Perfect. That'd be $16.28 when it be ready.
Ooh,
Pricey, huh?
I know.
Used to be like $5 back in the days.
$5 for
$5 full long back in the day, yeah.
I know. Oh, may happen.
Yeah, can you try one more time?
It says decline.
Yeah. Or it might be like the system if you just want to try again.
I'll try again.
Yeah, whenever you're ready. Yeah, that one's not working. Do you have like Apple Pay or anything?
I don't have Apple Pay.
Okay. Do you have like a tap maybe? You can tap instead of... Yeah.
Maybe just my chip.
Or swipe maybe? I don't
I
know.
think my chip is failing.
Try again? Yeah, it's not swiping. Once again. Yeah, that one's not working, fortunately.